How to turn on or turn off adaptive battery on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. Then here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on Device Care. Then tap on Battery, and then tap on Background Usage Limits. Here, tap on the More button, and then tap on Adaptive Battery. After that, tap on the on or off toggle button to switch off or turn on adaptive battery. So here say if we turn this on, we can extend battery life based on your phone usage. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.